Hey guys, today we're gonna teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, you gotta go to your software of choice. I use PowerPoint to edit my thumbnails, and since we have uh, a lower resolution slide, we just gotta go to design tab and click slide size and customize it. This Don't touch this. It's not very important. It's okay if you want to touch it or not. I just suggest that you shouldn't touch it. Alright, so the normal YouTube thumbnail size is 1280px by 720px, and there we go. We have our own YouTube thumbnails. So the next thing we're gonna do is just go to Google Chrome, open that Google Chrome, and go to Google Images and find a picture. For example, woman eating bat soup. There. Uh, and then you're just gonna copy this and paste it over here. And since the picture itself is larger than the slide, we're just going to lower this down, and yeah, and we have shapes here too. Like if you want to make a clickbait arrow, you can do it right so, like so. You're gonna add some redness to it, no outline, and yeah. If you want a more clickbaity style of your thumbnail, you can go like this, and to make it more appealing, we just gotta make it low, format, shape, fill, uh, hmm, shape effects, glow options. Yeah, we can choose some sizes here now, and yeah, one last thing: shape fill, no fill, shape outline, some red color, and yeah, we're halfway done with our YouTube thumbnail. So we're just gonna find another image like this. All you have to do is copy that and then paste it over here. Uh, and yeah, if you want, you can put your channel logo like so, and make sure it's big as it gets. No, not like this. And then when you then we gotta the last thing we need to do left is to add a text box. Yeah, we can stretch it up and down, no big deal. We just gotta have like a very bold text. Yeah, and for example, she's eating a bat, and we're gonna put she ate a bat soup. question mark. Oops, sorry, the font isn't supported, so I'm just gonna do it like that. And text fill would be yellow, and the text outline would be red, and the text weight would be and the text weight for the outline is like this. And then all you have to do is go to File. Depending on the version of your software, it might be different. So click Save As. Go go to here, and you have choices, like lots of choices. But since we want to save it as a YouTube thumbnail, we better go to either JPEG or PNG. I prefer PNG since it's very since the picture itself is at high quality, and I believe that it has no compression at all. So you gotta save it like that. You can title this whatever. I'll title it that. That's it. Then click save. Which slides you want to export? Just this one. Now, once you've done that, gotta minimize this, minimize that. Go to your files, and you will see that we created a YouTube thumbnail. How cool is that? And then people just want to watch this, just because of the thumbnail. Not because of the video, but of the thumbnail itself. Is it misleading? Yes. And no. The thumbnails are used to attract new people. Even me. I watch videos all the time. I slept through videos most of the time because of the thumbnails like this nowadays. Very different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And see you guys in the next video. See ya!